Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cupcakes at home without eggs. First, gather your dry ingredients. 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Next, prepare your wet ingredients, including a ½ cup of milk and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Having everything ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. Choosing the right egg substitute is key for texture and flavor. For each large egg, you can use 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce, which adds moisture and a subtle sweetness. Alternatively, 1/4 cup of mashed ripe banana provides a similar binding effect and a lovely aroma. Another excellent option is a flax egg, made by mixing 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water, letting it sit for 5 minutes. Proper mixing ensures light and fluffy cupcakes. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine all your wet ingredients, including your chosen egg substitute. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cupcakes. Fill cupcake liners 2/3 full and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once baked, let your cupcakes cool in the muffin tin for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. This prevents them from becoming soggy. Ensure they are completely cool before frosting. Warm cupcakes will melt your frosting. You can use a simple vanilla buttercream or a rich chocolate ganache. Pipe or spread your frosting, then add sprinkles or other decorations for a beautiful finish. Enjoy your delicious egg-free treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.